You may in fact be correct if that's the case, but before you do anything, I would encourage you to tread lightly. First, let me share with you a recent statistic shows that women are paid about 30 cents less per dollar for every male for identical work. It is illegal under multiple federal statutes, not including the most recent statute, the Equal Pay Act, which was the first bill signed by President Obama after he took office. That said, employees, women who feel as though they're being paid less for equal work need to tread lightly. And companies' policies typically protect as confidential information about their payroll practices. So if an employee has learned about somebody making more money than she is through a way that may not be appropriate or through information she cannot share, she may put herself in jeopardy by raising that complaint. And so I would encourage her to seek legal counsel before doing that. Second, make sure apples to apples are being compared, because in all situations you might think you're equal to another employee, but in fact they may have more years of experience than you, they may have a higher level of education, there may be something about their skill set that's unique and different. So before you raise this red flag with your employer, which is a highly unpopular thing to do, be sure you have all your facts right. Third, better to make a positive inquiry on how you can better yourself and advance in an employment than to say you feel discriminated against. So it's important to think about how to characterize the inquiry to your employer. For example, I would suggest saying, I'd like to consider an advancement with the company. What are things I can do to put myself into a similar position as Jim, who I understand might make more than I do? As opposed to saying, I think the company's discriminating against me because they pay Jim more. That's more of an adversarial approach, and I would encourage a positive one.